Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover document management options for documents generated from Titan Web. We will focus on the output format, the custom file name, and the file loaders. Let's go ahead and look at our document generation options. Click on the gear, click on Tools, go to Document Generation, and click on the gear to the right. Select the template that you want to manage. In this case, I will edit the options for my new lead form document template. We'll go ahead and click on Next. And here you can see that we can set document generation settings for all of the options that we have enabled: preview, download, email, push to Salesforce. There are editable attributes of each of these options. I'm going to focus on the download because it has the most options available. You want to make sure that the option is enabled. If you want to allow downloading, click on this to enable the download. Here, you can set the desired document output format. The options are docx or PDF. With docx, the document is simply downloaded as a docx Word type format. With PDF, select PDF as an option, and you can also select which tool you wish to use to convert the documents to a PDF: LibreOffice, Office 365, Titan 1, or Titan 2. We recommend using Titan 1, so that's what we will select. You can also set a custom name for the download. You can give it a static name such as this, or you can give it a dynamic file name. If you give it a dynamic file name, you must select an option from the fields on the form or from your variables. So we could give the document the same as the company name, the user's first name, the contact last name, etc. Or you can concatenate items together into a variable and use that as the file name. We'll go ahead and leave it as the static my custom file name. You can also enable an option to freeze the screen while the document is generating, in this case when we are downloading a document. This will show a loader, a spinner of type, to indicate to the user that something is occurring. We'll go ahead and select that option. Select Optimize Image Quality for better performance if you have a document with a large number of images and you wish to optimize the performance in downloading. Finally, you can enable a progress bar to show the progress of the download. However, since we have already enabled the loader screen, which indicates to the user that something is occurring, this is likely redundant. Best practice is to use either one or the other of these options. I'll leave the progress bar off. Let's go ahead and apply this and preview it. So here is my project preview. When I click the download document button, we see the loader come up, the spinner running, indicating to the user that something is occurring. The document is now generating and it will be downloaded. It is downloaded with the name my custom file name in the PDF format that we requested. Finally, let's take a look at how to customize that loader. To customize the loader that is shown to the user when an action is in progress, go to the gear, go to Site Elements, enable the custom loader, and click on the gear next to that menu item. Here, you see the preloader image as it is currently set. There are many different options that you can enable or disable from the loader. For more specific details on exactly what you can do with these loaders, please see the associated videos. I'll show a simple example. You can turn off the text. You can turn off the rectangle if you so desire. I'll leave those in. You can change the font, the fill, the size, the padding, the border, and the shadow of this element. You can also change the spinner image that is shown. Select it. You can modify many things here. Let's change the animation. Titan already comes with a number of animation options. Let's pick this gear and click Apply. I'll click on Save. Let's preview this project. And now when I click the Download Document button, we see our custom spinner. Once again, the document generation runs and it will download in the format PDF that we requested with the custom file name that we set. And that is how it's done.